Hey there, friends. We're talking about Farmmi, F-A-M-I. Okay, big day. Not really, but yeah, and well, maybe. You know what? I go by the rule of thumb, the Warren Buffett situation. Of course, Warren Buffett's not going to be caught dead investing in a Chinese penny stock, obviously. At least publicly. But, the rule of thumb is when you invest in things that are bringing in good quarterlies. Check. Invest in things that are having repeat customers. Check. Invest in things that are going into bigger and better things into the future for them as a company, for their bread and butter. Money, income for investors in the long run. Check. And these are kind of things I think every general investor is looking for. And finding this in Farmmi, obviously, this is a Chinese company. This is a company that is having some real bad situations right now. But, it's like 2 + 2 = 4. But at a Farmmi, when we're doing 2 + 2, we're not getting 4. We're getting 3. We're getting 6. We're getting 10. We're not getting the right number here. And, the obvious situation that we're seeing right now is two things. The market sucks. Even today, the market crashed again. Every time Congress releases news or Biden says something, it's terrible. It destroys the whole overall market. So we need a savior right now. We need either a really big deal or we need somebody called the ape leader here. We need the ape community to really step in right now. But with saying that too, obviously, there is a huge amount of puts up against Farmmi right now. Obviously, there are a lot of people betting against it, and it is not able to get liftoff. We keep lighting the jets here, but it can't get off the ground. And it's a very sad situation because a lot of us here have been waiting. We've been doing the right thing. And I'm very confident that if the overall market was healthier right now and we were seeing just better results out of our market, like I said before, I look at the market as the overall ship. And all the people on the ship, having fun, some are making money, some are being lazy, some are doing stuff. The stocks are the people here. That's what I'm saying. And right now, the ship is drowning and the people are drowning and the stocks are drowning. So you get what I'm saying here. We're not seeing any support from the general broadband of the market here. And it's very sad. It's a sad situation to be an investor right now. And it's just not even fun. I think we've all used the excuse so much at this point, well, everything's going to sell. We can buy it cheap. The problem is, when we keep buying the low, the bottom, well, we hit a new bottom and then we're under from our bottom that was, 5 bottoms ago. So friends, what I have to say here about Farmmi is that, obviously I'm still bullish on Farmmi. On Farmmi, the company. They're obviously doing the right thing. They're obviously being a very intentional, successful company. They are. There's no argument about that right now. We've seen that time and time again the past 6 months with what this company is doing. My argument right now is with the general market, which stems from our leaders, our economy, everything. It's just not getting any support, any help, and it's just, like I said, it's a sad situation. It's unbelievably sad. But I will say this, I have seen stocks come out with their quarterlies and a week or two later they do have move up. People catch wind, the stock gets talked about, analysts write articles, things start to move a little bit more. Will we see that with Farmmi? I really don't know. I'm not going to lie to anybody here. I'm not going to be one of these guys. I don't care if I get just 20 views on the video. I'm not going to lie to you and be like, this is going to blow up, this is going to be the next thing. Does it look like it's going to be the next big thing? Yeah, absolutely. That's why we're talking about it. That's why we're investing in it. That's why so many people, I talk a lot of you, there's some of you that have 20, 50, 70,000 shares of this. And that's great. That's tremendous. But, we're just waiting on news. We're waiting on really good news, either from the market or, I hate to say Farmmi has to bring more news because they've already brought so much good news, but obviously, we need a little bit more here. Look at today on this chart, going into this Webull chart, and looking at last night, we can see where last night we started to have this markup after hours, right here, and then market opened. Look at this huge red block right here. We just lost it. A little bit of a walk up, but then flatline towards the end of the day. The market just killed the whole general stock. No big volume to help it. I'm still here. I'm not selling out, obviously. I'm not going to run away with my tail between my legs here. I still believe in Farmmi. I don't know how many times I've said it. I still believe in Farmmi. I'm just waiting on the market. I'm waiting on the market. I don't know if it's going to be this month, next year. I don't know. I'm not too happy with where things are in our general market right now. It sucks. So friends, all I can say is, you know what? Either hang in there or look for the next best thing. But right now, there's not a lot out there to choose from. Let's be honest here. Everything is just taking devastating hits right now. So friends, with all that said, somehow be positive, be you, and take time to invest in the future of yours. Friends, I will talk to you very soon. Friends, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye, everyone.